Good morning. Gator's trying to get Rosie to go potty. Clearly it's very successful. Someone has school pictures today. Someone bleached his hair last night. Someone's hair's a little yellow. But it's fine. We might try to bleach it again. I don't know what the deal is, but Gage's hair does not want to bleach. But you look handsome and so cool. Goodness. Anyways, trying to potty train this little puppers. Oh, is she going potty? I think her is. Oh yeah. She's so cute. Like I can't even handle it.
When she goes in the snow, she's so cute. She like goes through.
Yeah, she loves the snow too. And then she's freezing, but she loves to hop around in it. But the snow all melted, and I hope it doesn't come back. Not to be rude, but just like next year, we'll be fine. And we're ready for spring, huh? Gator started lacrosse. How's that going?
Good.
Good. He's been so excited.
Second day practice was yesterday.
Yeah. Did you guys practice more? His first day, you just kind of took it easy.
Yeah, we had a meeting.
And then yesterday was a real practice.
Yeah.
Good girl, good girl, good girl, hi, good girl. All right, buddy, have a good day. Smile pretty. Gage loves taking pictures. Oh.
Hopefully you dance with us.
The babies just finished eating breakfast, kind of. And now they're getting in the bathtub. They have school today. Oh, it's been such a good week because everyone is feeling better. And everyone has been so sick that we haven't really been able to do anything. So having everyone feel better has just been the greatest. I mean, we still have coughs, but I think literally everyone has coughs. Brayla was saying that they were laughing in their choir class because everyone was coughing. And I just think it's that time of year. Everyone has a cough, you get better. Someone else has a cough, you catch that cough. But for the most part, everyone is feeling better. At least their spirits are up. Everyone's happier, and that makes me happier. So, I'm gonna film a couple videos today, which I'm super excited about. Just like some that I've been wanting to do, a hair video. And then I'm trying to decide another video to film today. I have a few different options. So I'm just gonna see what the day brings and how I'm feeling. Did you have picture day today too? Yeah? You look so pretty. Really tried to curl her hair. She said it didn't work, so she put it in a party pony.
I'm losing my voice.
Yeah.
Love you.
Love you. Love you. Look at this pretty girl. Are you ready for school? She's excited. I like that dancing. Yeah. Get a couple more bites in before you have to hit the road. Woo! Hop up. You okay? Yeah. I'll get this. Don't eat it. Okay. Get another bite. Get another bite. Good girl. She loves that makeup brush. She's been putting lotion on my toes and then on my mouth. Pretty disgusting. Is that your coat? You can't wear that in your car seat, so just take it, okay? Where's Winston, boy? Winston, Winston. Those boobs. She's growing so fast all of a sudden. She's like had a little growth spurt, which is good. I took her to the doctor I guess it's been over a month ago, and she was only in the 4th percentile for her weight. So we've been trying to get her to eat more. So I'm still nursing her, not very often, but I've really cut back so that in the hopes that she would eat more, and she has been, and she has gained 2 pounds, and it just seems like since that she's kind of like just gotten taller, and it makes me happy. I was really worried. You handsome guy. You ready for school? He calls that his Star-Lord jacket. Like, oh yeah, that is very fitting. You ready, princess? She had to put her coat on. She can't wear it in the car seat, but you can wear it to the car. That's fine. I don't know what I was just filming in, but hopefully you can see everyone because they're just so darn cute. They just left for school, so I'm just cleaning up breakfast, trying to get the house cleaned up. I've been really trying hard to clean everything as it happens, and I know like most people do that, but there are some times that I would just be like, oh, I'm just gonna leave this coloring mess. I mean, obviously I would clean up breakfast, but I'll leave this mess because the kids are gonna come home and they're gonna want to color. But then my house isn't ever clean. So that is what I'm doing, is just cleaning up as the day goes, just constantly cleaning. So much better. Now I'm going to look through my cookbook. I I went through and kind of like made a meal plan of different recipes I've wanted to try. So I'm just going to choose from those and see what to make for lunch and dinner. I did a little tiny bit of meal prepping, but not as much as I need to, so I'll probably do that too. But I think I'm gonna make this chili. I've never tried it before, but it's full of like squash and zucchini and peppers, and it looks so good. So I think I'm gonna try that. This one right here, yum. I'm about to shoot some videos, but my nails look terrible, so I am putting these on. Carly sells these. It's an Idaho company. I don't know a ton about the company. All I know is that I really like them. My last set stayed on for over 2 weeks, which is longer than gel normally stays on my nails. Mostly because I pick them off. If I have gel on, it's so hard for me not to pick them off. And these just seem so much more secure. So they are glue-on nails. I kind of felt like I was back in first grade when I was gluing them on, because if we were in the car and I kept dropping them, and it was like that panic moment when you know you have glue on your fingernail and you're like, oh no, it's sticking to my butt. So I kind of you're just laughing at me. And so I kind of felt like I was like back being a little girl gluing on fingernails, but they're so good. Like I don't know. It also made me laugh. Oh, my eyelashes are sticking together. Made me laugh because we were talking about the nails, and Laurie was saying that when press-on nails first came out, she worked at the family store in the mall. It was a clothing store, and she said that they would always always find fake nails all over the dressing room. It just makes me laugh because that's what I used to do. Gage is like, you're so weird. That's what I used to do, that, and you would look down and you'd be like, oh no, where's my fingernail? But these are not like that. It just makes me laugh so hard. These aren't like that. They stay on so much better. So anyways, if you're just someone who doesn't want to go to the salon, if you are someone who's like me and you don't have time for your nails to dry, and your nails look like trash sometimes and you don't realize it, it's just good to have some on hand. They're 13 bucks. But they seriously, my last pair was on for over 2 weeks and I peeled them off. They would have probably lasted another week, seriously. And that's with me like doing dishes and cleaning and bathing babies and doing all of that stuff. So I definitely loved the color that I got last time. It was like a bright pink, and I think that I'll just keep a bunch of those on hand because it was my favorite. I ordered another pink too that's a matte that I'm gonna try. So anyways, that's what's happening. My day hasn't went as planned. My fault. I've been like not procrastinating. I've been just like not super active in what I need to get done. So I'm gonna hurry and put these nails on. I'm gonna film a get ready with me just to show some new makeup products that I've been using and loving, and it's been such a long time, so I'm so excited. And then I'm gonna film my hair tutorial because I get questions all the time about how I'm curling my hair now, and I'm gonna talk about a few of the products that I've been using. So if you're interested in that, watch for them, and they'll be on my channel soon. Hi, sister. The kiddos are home. I only got one video filmed today, but it's okay. I did get a lot of other things done, and I'm planning on doing my hair tutorial tomorrow, so no big deal. I do wish I would have gotten it done, but at least I got this filmed, and I'll be able to do that tomorrow. Rosie, what are you doing? How cute she is. She's getting so big. She loves to get into my yarn up here. Or find all sorts of things. Let's go downstairs. Rosie. Hi, baby. You're so cute. Yeah, you are cute.
Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to you. How was school today?
Good.
Was good? Winston's favorite have been waffles lately. Whoa, you okay?
That's what did you use? I was trying to watch a movie. I was trying to play, but I didn't walk.
Right. Seems like there's something going on with the internet, so it's not working. What do you guys think about Winston's new haircut? He looks pretty handsome, huh? Do you want to bleach your hair like Gager so it's white? No?
Yeah.
You do? Yeah. Okay, we'll talk about it. Make sure that you really want to do that. I really like that my kids like to do different things with their hair. I think that it's fun, and I think that it's important that we as parents take that into consideration. Casey had like purple hair and stuff, right, hun? You had purple hair?
I had purple plum hair.
Purple plum hair?
Purple hair. And
So
it's probably as sick as it is right now.
your hair's pretty sick. Look what Winston did. He put a piece of tape right here, and then he scribbled with a a Sharpie on it. So that's awesome on my table. Oh well. Let's see this paper that you made.
So this is an arrow scene. So this is my friend. Does it has an arrow?
Oh, it has an arrow?
Yeah.
What does this say?
Mom.
And who's this?
Dad.
Mom and Dad, he said. That's good, buddy. I love it.
So that's gonna be that if I messed it up.
Oh, that's okay. What's this? Who's this guy?
It's
That looks
me.
like a transformer.
Right.
I hear Rosie barking. Is there anything on the back? Nice. Winston has been doing such a good job at writing his name by himself, and it's the most adorable thing in the entire world. Coming in the office because the kids have been wanting to make these, and I'm thinking that maybe we'll do that right now while we're waiting for Casey to get back with the food. Want to do this? Want to do this? Want to make the kitty? We'll do it all together, okay? So we'll have to follow a design or a pattern. No, oh, there's only one? I think that there might be more than one. Oh, you're right. There is only one. Okay, you first. Layla can play with the stickers. What'd you say, Winston?
It's still hard.
It's too hard. It's hard to put those beads on these tiny little boards, huh? He had some on and then he accidentally knocked them all off.
I'm doing it.
You're doing it? Layla, that's definitely going to be too hard for you. Let's go do some stickers. Come on. Come on, let's go look at the stickers. What in the world? I've been looking for this tripod all day. Why is it on the ground? What in the world? Nice. Oh. You have no idea how often we called Layla Rosie and Rosie Layla.
Where's the do it?
You want to try?
Yeah.
It's really hard. Blue. Okay, hold on. Let me help you up. Miss Independent here. Okay, you try to put them on. Careful not to knock them off. You have to keep them off the ground or Rosie will try to eat them. You found yellow and blue. What other color do you see? Green. Can you say green? Blue. Where's blue? Let's see. Oh, see, yeah, it's kind of hard. Dang it, why didn't I think about that? Maybe Gager would like to make one. I can make one for you. I'll let her play around with it for a second. What is the age? It's probably like, definitely not for little kids. Where's the, oh, 6+, yeah. Hi. Oh, my mistake. Layla, do you want to cut your hair? Yeah, should we cut your hair tomorrow? I was cutting the boy's hair last night and she wanted a haircut so bad. And I've been thinking that she needs one, so obviously she's never had one. She's almost 2, so it really is time. I was just thinking about like cutting off these little ends so that it seemed a little thicker because she does have like kind of a little bit thinner hair. Of course, she's a baby, but she also had like her perimeter grew in later. So she kind of like grew all of this hair and then all around the perimeter of her face grew later. So she has all these short pieces, like her bangs grew later. So we'll just kind of get it evened up. Uh-oh, did we drop one? I'll get it. But she's still like determined to do this. We'll cut your hair tomorrow, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. I forgot my face was blue until I started filming. This is just some doTERRA oil that is blue. I've just been trying some different oils because I feel like they've been working the best for my skin. Anyways, that's why my face is blue. I just got done cleaning the kitchen up. Everyone is asleep. And I just love this time of night. It's 1 in the morning. I've always loved the nighttime. I've always been a night owl. But I laid down with Layla, got her to sleep. And then I was just laying there and I couldn't fall asleep. So I thought, I'm just gonna go make sure everything's cleaned up. So I got the rest of the dishes in the dishwasher, started it. And I restarted Grey's Anatomy. I don't know if any of you watch it. Let me know if you do. It's my very favorite TV show. I love a lot of different TV shows, but I have to say that Grey's Anatomy is probably my favorite, and Braylee had never watched it before. And so she decided to start watching it, and so I restarted watching it, and now I'm like totally hooked. It's amazing how much you forget. This is actually the 2nd time that I've restarted. So the 3rd time watching it, and I have forgotten so many things. So that's probably what I'll do until I fall asleep. Yeah, it's a terrible habit. I don't love that I stay up quite this late, but it's just kind of what I do. So anyways, thanks for hanging out with me today. I'll see you tomorrow.